Hello, Titans. Today I'm going to be telling you about the Certificate of Completion through Weber State University. Advanced placement and concurrent enrollment classes allow prepared 9th through 12th grade students to earn college credits while in high school. Many of these classes will give students general education credits toward their associate's or bachelor's degree. Students that receive the General Education Certificate of Completion from Weber State University can present it to any state of Utah public college or university and have that general education, all general education classes waived at the school that they choose. Students must pass their AP exams with a 3, 4, or 5 to earn credit, and those credits must be submitted to Weber State. Any transfer credits would need to be submitted to Weber State as well. As far as CE classes, students must pass those classes with a grade of C or higher in order to receive the credit through Weber State University. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit as we talk about this form that we have created. So it's kind of like a worksheet where you can print this off from our school website under the counseling page. Once you complete a class, you can mark that you've completed that. And then pretty soon, you've completed most of the requirements, and it's just an easy way for you to track what you have completed and what you still need to complete in order to get your certificate of completion. Couple things of note. I already mentioned that AP exams must be passed with a 3, 4, or 5 unless otherwise mentioned. For example, this AP Spanish language class right here, you have to have a 4 or 5. A 3 will not get you this credit. So that kind of all depends on the class, but there's only a couple of them that require a 4 or a 5. Most of them will accept a 3. I've also put whether it's a semester class or a year-long class. Okay. So you can also look this AP Calculus, for example, you can see right here that it's a year-long class as well as a 2-period class. So you'll need to have this AP Calculus plus a lab class. Along this left-hand column is where all of Weber State's categories are for their general education credits. The year right here in this column is where you would take that while you're at Syracuse High or Syracuse or West Point Junior High or one of our feeder schools. One category of note is diversity, because this is a little bit confusing for students. Let's say I used this CE communications right here for my humanities credit. As you can see, that will also count as a diversity. Now, this diversity category is the only one where you can use the same class twice in a category. So you can use it twice in diversity, as long as you can use it in another category and diversity at the same time. But you can't use like CE communications here and then can't use it again here as another humanities credit. So diversity is the only one where classes in the category may be used in another category as well. This will go to any public Utah university or college. BYU and Westminster are kind of the exceptions. They will accept it, last I heard, but they do require some more courses as well as these. So that's kind of some information, but that's hopefully this sheet is helpful. You can find it on the counseling page at Syracuse High's webpage.